We're going to replace this battery. First and foremost, I bought this from Shopee. I will link the description below. To find the model of your MacBook, go to the back of your MacBook and check the model. And for me is about mid 2012, 13, and this is the battery of my MacBook Retina. So this one, this one. So I bought this one on Shopee. So this is how it look like. It also have a free screwdriver. But before this, of course, you are going to open up this MacBook. So let's. This is actually really good because this battery comes with this screwdriver. Oh, by the way, if you are asking what is this is actually the wire of my mic to my DSLR, just in case you're asking. So let's open this up. And did I miss any screws? Nope. Oops. Alright, so this is how it looked like at the back. I hope you can see this. So before you replace your battery, you need to remove this at the... Alright. By the way, I'm not so good at this. Right, so after that you unscrew this one and this one. I already unscrewed this because I already removed this battery myself. Right. So after that, what you are going to do, because let me just show you here. This is actually removable already. Let me just try it. Yep, it is removable already, but he removed the adhesive by doing this. So he replaced this ribbon, but I suggest that it should be stronger. So something like that. And when it reach at the bottom, you need to force it to remove the adhesive below, and you need to do it one by one. Something like this. You need a little force, of course. So you need to slide down to remove the adhesive, and I already do it on myself. And so I could remove this one already, and it's not the adhesive is removed. But, oh, by the way, this part is also included in the battery and also in this part. So you could remove this one. Just slip this up because it's still sticky. Alright, so let me just remove that part. Hey. Yeah, like I said, it's not sticking already. So you could remove by doing so. You can see there is adhesive, this part. So, and also I clean up this part because some of adhesive will remain it here. So I clean up the part, and so we're going to replace with our new battery, which is this that I bought on Shopee. This is actually, I'm not sure, this is not original, by the way. So what you are going to do, just don't remove this the plastic part yet, so because you need to try it if it's working. If it's of course it will fit. So let me just move this part to this part and cross finger, hopefully this will work. All right, Alright, I think that's it. So before we going to get the cover, and then for the meantime I'm going to close this MacBook and try to open up it. It's working, and hopefully it will work. So something like that. And then so let's try if it's work. It's not working. Maybe we need to charge it a little bit. Oh, it's working. So you can see it's working. So it's about 69%. So the battery works. So what we're going to do right now, we need to shut this off and then close it up and then turn it over, because we're going to fix that battery already. So again, remove the cover, and then of course we need to remove this again, because we need to remove that plastic part remaining at the bottom. So this is the new one, so I should be careful on this one. Hopefully I will not damage it. Alright, so you need to remove this plastic because alright, final cleanup. Wait for a minute. The final cleanup. Place this back right here, right there. Again, I'm not professional, so you should be careful and you should not doing what I'm doing. Right, I mean, you should do it yourself to save some money, but like I said, this is on your own risk. Right, and then also we need to remove this plastic here. I think so. We need to remove this, yeah, because this butter will be heated and this plastic will be melted. So do not turn this film in advance. Please stir off. Alright, yeah, correct. So after you install the battery, you can remove this plastic like that, and then final touch. Where's my tissue? Final touch. Hopefully that will stick. Everything. I should not use my hands, right? Anyways, this is my own laptop. Alright. Yeah, it's the hard part of this changing battery is that when you remove the adhesive here, like I said, you are going to use a thread or something that is harder to remove every adhesive in this part. But when you remove it, everything will be easy. Like going to go around somewhere. So yeah, that's it. Alright, and then we need to screw everything. Alright, one by one. Alright. Record pa? Okay lang siya, kuya. Stop na, kuya. Check. Okay lang siya, DC. Alright, so I put all the screw back, so it just it's a little bit messy MacBook. Anyway, who cares? Alright, so let's turn this again, and hopefully it will work. It worked, of course. And to check the health of your battery is go to about this Mac and then system report and go to the power, and as you can see, it's the condition is normal and the cycle count is 1. So that's it. So hopefully you like uh, this video, and I hope you learned something. So do it yourself and do it with thinking there's always be a risk when you do it yourself. So yeah, have a nice day. Bye for now.